People are afraid of the market going down. Even as the market goes up, they're becoming more afraid of the market going down. And we can pay attention to those cues, leave the position alone, and do well when the market comes down. Or if we want to say, well, I think the volatility structure is wrong. In other words, I think the major market participants are wrong. I'm looking at the charting. Hey, I'm bullish, and I want this to win if the market goes up. Or I want it to not lose if the market goes up. You literally have to take the position of going positive delta. That's the only way to do that. Now, the other thing you could do, again, you could go into a broken wing butterfly. You will experience the same issue, but it won't be as severe. And you'll still have to be positive delta. And if you look at the X4 trades, the X4 version 22, I have a version of that for the Russell also. They all did well in that environment, the uptrending environment with the rising volatility, because I was solidly positive delta, and the T+0 line collapse was not enough to put the trade negative when the market actually went up.